Good morning, activity logo English 3, Paula Andrea Perea Rodriguez. Dear boss, today I want to show you the new logo that the company will have for the product. This logo is created taking into account the final consumer of our product, bake this very stringy with lots of colors and leaving a reminder in our customer. In the process of creation, a 12 ounce glass with its respective lid is chosen to have a better presentation of the product. Secondly, we have the distribution process where at the packaging of our product will have its respective logo attached around it in an illustrative way. In their place, we have the final proposal of the logo where we can see that it contains many colors, has thick edges, curves and lines in the model of the two children that showcased for our product. The design of this logo is of low cost, where 1,000 units cost 200,000 pesos including glass, lead and plastic spoon. In the expense in taking into account the transport, which has a cost of 50,000 pesos for the 1,000 packages. I hope it will be to your liking, meet your expectations, and be the new love of the company. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.